The 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, child safety locks, power door locks, CD player, power windows, passenger airbag on-off switch, daytime running lights. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.